Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to create a peaceful scenery drawing. Imagine yourself in a scene place as we bring the vision of life. First grab your pencil and paper. Let's start with a basics, a horizon line across the middle. This will separate the sky from the land. Draw it lightly as we might adjust it later. Above the horizon, let's sketch in the sky pictures of cloud. Draw a few wispy, fluffy clouds. You can vary their size and shape. Imagine them floating gently. Now let's add a sun or a moon just above the horizon. Wherever you are like, if you the sun, make it is a bit larger and brighter. For a moon, add a few stars around it. Below the horizon, it's add some rolling hills or a lake. If you are drawing hills, start with gentle curves. If it is a lake, make the lines smoother, sketching across the landscape. Picture the reflections of the sky or stars in the water. In a foreground, let's add a tree or a few plants. Draw a simple trunk with branches sketching out. Add small detail for leaves or flowers, whichever you prefer.